Hi viewer, welcome to another episode of Weekend Comment by Considerus where we discuss the .NET technologies, news, updates. In this video we will discuss about .NET 7, what are the key features in .NET 7, when it will be released, what changes will it bring to the .NET world. Please like this video if you like our video. We will be uploading videos on technology and career guidance on our channel regularly to encourage us to do more videos like this. Please subscribe to our channel if you are watching our channel for the first time. Don't forget to like this video if you like our video. If you have any questions or doubts on the topic like technology and career guidance, please comment below so we will reply or make a video on it. Top new features that .NET 7 bring are 1. Blazor. Introduced with .NET 7, Blazor is being made desktop ready. This includes performance, accessibility and security, and the possibility to consider different screen resolutions. In other words, support for the desktop has been added now, which was missing before. Blazor is still a big issue in the roadmap to version 7. The issue list for Blazor is the most extended in the roadmap. Besides performance optimizations and multi-threading support, Blazor is generally fine-tuned. The demand for it seems so big that Microsoft continues to put a lot of effort into it. 2. Minimal API improvements. The Minimal API gets a whole range of further improvements. Only to mention a few, support for endpoint filters is already implemented. Besides even better support for bindings of query or header parameters. In addition, request bodies can now be read as a stream, which optimizes file upload. There are also plans to improve the syntax for the Minimal API. It shall be possible to define routes as groups that can contain further groups. This will make it much easier to structure the endpoints. There should also be a simplification in the area of authentication. The configuration of authentication is generally a very complex topic. The OAuth configuration, in particular, requires a certain amount of knowledge. A complex configuration is thus to be simplified for beginners. The Minimal API seems to meet the most common requirements. This will make it even more interesting for API developers. 3. MVC. MVC includes the classic Model View Controller System and Razor Pages and Web API. The Minimal API features were added to the model binding, which will also be added to the MVC. The model binding ensures that the parameters of the action methods are filled with values. Before, complex types were bound via the request body and simple types via the root or query string in precisely this order. The Minimal API also supports the binding of complex types via the dependency injection container. If complex types are registered as a service in the dependency injection container, they are passed to the action method. This will also be possible for controllers and Razor Pages in the future. Types that cannot be directly converted from a string to the corresponding type are considered complex types. This makes it possible to inject services into the action method. It is no longer necessary to inject exclusively into the controller's constructor. A tree-pass model binder is also new. This is executed before all other model binders and can be removed if required. The goal is to be able to bind all types that implement a tree-pass method. 4. Links. Many small innovations concern link generation and routing. Link generation even has its roadmap, which contains issues for classic routing but also the newer endpoint routing. The certainly good idea is to make link generation more type safe. Instead of passing the controller name and action name as strings, a generic and type-safe variant makes absolute sense. The feature has not been implemented yet, but the API suggestions are promising, as you can see below. 5. Rate limiting. Rate limiting is a technique for limiting requests per session. The results: higher security and stability of the application. DDoS attacks are more challenging to accomplish. A client can be limited to a certain number of requests per minute. Microsoft will probably implement rate limiting by Preview 3 for Kestrel, YARP, and also as middleware. Thus, it is possible to configure rate limiting on the HTTP server level or on the application level. At the application level, you decide to apply limiting via middleware for all endpoints or only for specific endpoints. 6. As .NET Core 7.0 runtime, a significant focus lies in the performance of both versions, 6.0 and 7.0. HTTP 3 provides some speed benefits at the protocol level. This can be seen in HTTP 3 support. In ASP.NET Core 7.0, this feature will now be finalized. Optimizations are finally supported for actual output caching among the various performance. Before, cache headers were set to control client caching and caching at the UI level or specific caching of data. The output cache now stores the entirely generated output on the middleware level. If you are wondering when .NET 7 will be officially released, according to Microsoft, .NET 7 will be officially released in November 2022 and will replace the current version of .NET 6. Currently .NET 7 has several previews and can already be tested, and according to Microsoft, .NET 7 has been tested with the latest Visual Studio preview. In our next video we will discuss more about .NET technologies and .NET New and soon. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching our video. I am Sirish Kantamaneni. We will be uploading videos on technology and career guidance on our channel regularly to encourage us to do more videos like this. Please subscribe to our channel if you are watching our channel for the first time. Don't forget to like this video if you like our video. If you have any questions or doubts on the topic like technology and career guidance, please comment below so we will reply or make a video on it. Please share with your friends and family on the social network like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter you are watching. Consider us.